Hi guys, and welcome back to one of my videos. This time is a very nice car. It is the I think I call them like the German do, so AMG Mercedes GT3 car, and this is one of the nicest and easy build. Nice is not because of my kid, nice is, I mean, for the pleasure, of the build without complications and so on, that I made, during this year. And the kit is the ordinary standard AMG Gt3 that nearly everybody of us have in the collection, because it is one of the nicest and better engineered kits of the last few years about cars, And the only difference that I have on this model compared to the standard kits that you can find around, Tamiya made, I think, I guess, 2 boxes of them with one in the black livery, and the other is the ordinary presentation gray with the yellow line. It's very, for me, it's very mortificating livery. It's something that the car is wonderful, and why so ugly livery when they have so many nice livery racing around. So in this purpose, it was absolutely helpful to keep in contact with Fola. Fola is a very good friend from Germany that he makes decals and racing body for slot racing. He's very serious in slot racing, and he produces this kind of decals that are meant to be used on the carbon fiber or fiberglass body that they do. Probably uses the same base of Tamiya, and then he recast it completely with a different production from my ordinary racing cast. They have to be extremely thin. I have some of his body here. I can show you in the future videos if you want. It's referred to the 991 RS Porsche, and they are very nicely done in the shape and in the proportion, but extremely complicated to work, because the real purpose of that model is to race, so they have to be extremely lightful, and all the space inside is meant to host the working mechanical parts as well as wheels and so on. So it's a little different from the ordinary modeling that we do here. This car, the model is, there is very few to say about it, because it fits completely well. It's absolutely a pleasure to do. My only disappointing in this model was, if you have built it, you can absolutely understand what I mean. It's about the internal seat. You cannot see nearly anything from here. There is some pictures where I made something. No, you cannot see absolutely anything. Anyway, believe me, I did it. No, the problem I was saying is around the seat, the driver's seat, because mysteriously Tamiya didn't make any pillow, any rubber inside this seat. So it's just the structure that is also quite I don't know how to explain. It's if you see the part, you see that there is clearly something missing in that racing seat. Usually pilots have a lot of sponge and pillows inside to fit properly, to feel a little comfortable inside these uncomfortable racers. And Tamiya absolutely didn't do it, so I have no idea why. Probably it's a mistake, no idea. The decal fits quite well. Remember that they are meant to be decal for slot racing, so they are very thick, and they don't react so much to the liquids of the softeners and microset, microsol, or the Gunze softener that I use here. But you can anyway stretch during the applying process with a wet towel, and let them apply quite good to the part. The design is quite precise. Fola made a very nice job on this car, and I think the livery is something absolutely stunning. The American flag is so nice on this car, the colors and this particular blue. In reality, the car is a full wrap, so depending from I think they use it in 2 different years, this car. There is the last version that is a slightly lighter blue on the car, and little minor difference in the number and in the position. Also, you recognize the difference of the car from this. One is Apex Protect and the other is Max or whatever. Anyway, this writing is different. When you see something that is different from this, is the following year, And so the model fits perfectly, very easy to build, pleasure. You have no problems in setup. The line is perfect. I just applied a little line of dust and a little smoke gray on the lower line, and and that's it. It's a wonderful, wonderful kit that you have absolutely to build up and to enjoy. And my tip is to search around for decals. This website, the Fola website, is slotfabrik. You can find it in Google. And he made many different liveries. Also, other companies now made other decals for this model, so you just can search around and find the livery you like best. I like it a lot, the American flag. I like it a lot, the colors of the flag, and this kind of car that have the flag completely all over the body. And for me, it was the nicest livery for this very nice and aggressive racer on the GT3 series. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.